Break in. To enter a place illegally or by force. A thief tried to break in last night. Someone broke in and stole my laptop. Fall down. To drop to the ground by accident. Be careful, or you will fall down. I slipped on the ice and fell down. Beat up. To hurt someone badly by hitting or kicking them. The wrestler beat up his opponent. The hero beat up the bad guys. Cheer up. To become happy or make someone feel better when they are sad. A good song can cheer me up. He gave me flowers to cheer me up. Hang out. To spend time with someone in a relaxed way. I like to hang out with my friends. Let's hang out at the park today. Run after. To chase or follow someone or something quickly. The police ran after the thief. The dog ran after the ball. Bring up. To raise a child and take care of them. They brought up their kids with good values. She was brought up by her grandparents. Find out. To learn new information or discover something. She found out the answer to the question. Can you find out the price of this dress? Drink up. To finish drinking all of a liquid. He drank up his coffee quickly. Drink up your juice before we leave. Call off. To cancel something or stop an event from happening. The teacher called off the test. They called off the meeting because of rain.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!